unlocking the secrets of stay young and free. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring phrase, stay young and free. This phrase is not just about age or freedom. It's a philosophy of life. Let's explore what it means and how it can inspire us daily. We hope you'll find this discussion enlightening and empowering. Stay young is a phrase that encourages us to maintain our youthful spirit and vitality. It's not about denying the aging process but embracing the qualities often associated with youth: curiosity, openness, enthusiasm, and the willingness to learn and grow. To stay young is to see the world with wonder and to continuously seek out new experiences and knowledge. Key points: embrace curiosity and openness, maintain enthusiasm for life, be willing to learn and grow continuously. The concept of being free complements the idea of staying young. It emphasizes freedom of thought and action, living life on one's own terms, and not being weighed down by societal expectations or fears. It's about autonomy, the ability to make choices that align with one's true self and desires, and the courage to follow one's heart and dreams. Key points: live life on your own terms. Embrace autonomy and make choices that align with your true self. Have the courage to follow your heart and dreams. Staying young and free is an attitude towards life that anyone can adopt. It involves 1. Nurturing your passions and hobbies. 2. Keeping an open mind and heart. 3. Connecting with others and the world in meaningful ways. 4. Living authentically, in alignment with your values and beliefs. 5. Taking risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. 6. Practicing self-care and mindfulness to maintain mental and physical well-being. Key points: nurture passions and hobbies. Keep an open mind and heart. Live authentically and take risks. Practice self-care and mindfulness. Stay young and free is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful mantra for life. It encourages us to maintain our youthful enthusiasm and embrace freedom in our thoughts and actions. We hope this discussion inspires you to look at life with fresh eyes and to live every day with joy and authenticity. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the secret to a fulfilling life is to stay young and free. Until next time, keep learning and growing.